Do you want to unlock the full capabilities of SAP Business One? These are some tips to increase your productivity and efficiency. Customize for your needs. Adapt SAP Business One to the specific company procedures and specifications. Personalization guarantees an ideal match and increases adoption by users. Invest in training. Give your team thorough training to utilize SAP Business One to its full potential. Smarter users make better use of resources. Regular data cleanup. Keep data relevant and accurate by performing regular data cleanup. It guarantees more efficient operations and correct reporting. Use reporting tools. To obtain insightful knowledge about your company's performance, explore SAP Business One's reporting and analytics features. Adapt reports to monitor important metrics. Lastly, make sure you are using the latest version of SAP Business One for improved features, security, compatibility, regulatory compliance, support, maintenance, and optimized performance. These tips will help you get the most out of SAP Business One and grow your company. Get started today. Contact us to learn more about SAP Business One.